Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rodrigo Marcanel. I am a current Irvine College student, and I was one of the fortunate students in California to be able to participate in the HubSpot X NexusEdge Marketing AI internship. And today I want to show you how I helped Deep Tempo, a cybersecurity startup that I got paired up with in this internship, generate high-quality marketing assets using Breeze AI, which is HubSpot's built-in AI content generation tool. Now, startups like Deep Tempo often face a very big challenge, and it's that they need to attract and convert customers, but they don't really have a full marketing team or the really time to manually build this high converting content. Their team is more focused on building the product and everything that's going on in the startup world, and not really on the writing with the blogs, the designing websites, or planning campaigns. Now, that's the real problem that I was there to solve. I used Breeze AI to generate the types of marketing assets that drive sales in a fraction of the time that it normally takes utilizing the AI to cut down this time cost. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of demos on how I was able to create these assets and using HubSpot's AI tools. So as we go down, we see that Breeze AI tool is at the bottom left, and we can go down to the different agents that HubSpot has to offer. And if we go to content agents and then create blog post, we can see that it first asks us a couple of details and some information that we want the blog post to kind of be about. So we can kind of put for description, generate a blog post for a cyber security company called Deep Tempo that educates the customers while positioning their product as the solution. We go down, no keywords necessary, and then industry, we can do software as a service. We go to select the title, and with the information that we were able to kind of give to the AI, it just gives us some titles that we can choose from. So protect your identity with Deep Tempo's advanced solutions sounds really good. We go down, we won't put any documents, but feel free to do so if you ever want to create one. And then it gives us kind of a blog post outline of what's going to be being talked about in the blog, and we can change this and edit it and kind of change the format if we want to. But let's keep it as it is. Now, as it's generating, we watch how it not only creates the blog post by itself, it writes all of the content, but also structures it with headlines for readability, and then also adds keywords with SEOs and generates a custom image using artificial intelligence. We see that down here as it's loading, and we see the title, AI generated image, all of the content, and then a contact us portion. Now, let's go take a look at a different type of asset. We go down, same with the content agent, and we go to the landing page. Now, the landing page creation is a little bit different because of the way that it can be utilized, and there's so many purposes for a landing page. So we can just get started with get visitors to request information. Now we can define the idea, get visitors to request information for Deep Tempo's cybersecurity solutions with machine learning and artificial intelligence. We selected a customer profile. We can go ahead and do Chief Information Officer, and then we go to add documents. For now, we won't add any documents, and it'll just start creating the landing page for us. So landing pages are generally standalone pages that convert visitors into leads. And for Deep Tempo's case, they'll probably want to just learn a little bit more about maybe some white pages or demo downloads, anything like that. And historically, you need a designer, a developer, and a copywriter to be able to make one of these pages, costing you sometimes over $1,000 spent. And that's a very heavy lift for a startup. But now, watch how I just created in Breeze with a brand consistent copy, a smart layout with no coding, no anything, just with a couple of sentences, and it just created a very structured and well landing page. We see an artificial intelligence image, some information, maximize ROI with our services, some use cases as well. And we can see that it was very structured. Now, with all of this that I've shown you, the blog post and landing page, it's all tied down to one goal, to getting more customers for Deep Tempo. And we're doing that by replacing weeks of manual work with Breeze AI while keeping content on brand and on message while optimizing action at the same time. So thank you so much for being able to watch this video and kind of taking your time to kind of be able to show you this whole demo. And I want to be able to thank Deep Tempo and HubSpot for the wonderful opportunity and the wonderful internship that they were able to provide for me. It really opened my eyes to everything that AI can now be exposed to and help with the marketing efforts and assets to startups and any company really. And I really do hope that California community colleges are able to expand into this and be able to show these opportunities to students all over the state, all over the country, and even globally. But yeah, thank you so much for being able to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.